Hey there, my name is Alex Faisley, and today we're going to cover a very simple topic, but an important one, which is failover. So Netmaker by default will route traffic peer-to-peer. So each device in your network will attempt to make a direct connection to every other device. However, sometimes this isn't possible. For instance, let's say you have a very restrictive firewall, a very restrictive CGNAT. In such cases, forging a peer-to-peer link might not be possible. In this case, it's going to automatically fail over that connection and route it through a server in the middle. By default, for any new network, the Netmaker server itself will do this, so you can see it's set as failover, but you might want to use a different device that you have set up for it. So to do this, just remove whatever is currently set as the failover and set it to the device you want to act as the failover. And that's pretty much it. So just so you know, this is a pretty common scenario and is common across different access solutions and different peer-to-peer networking solutions. The difference is we allow you to control this. So in a lot of other platforms, it might route out through the internet to some relay that they've hosted across the country. Here, you can set a failover that's closer to your devices that you own. So you own the data. You don't have to be concerned about it routing all the way across the country for your devices to talk to each other. And you can manage that device directly. And that's it. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.